Hey everybody, here's my first food video that I'm going to be placing on this YouTube channel. Kind of wanted to do a simple recipe to start and also get to use my new Almond Cow nut milk maker. It's more than just a nut milk maker though, but today we're just going to do a very simple cashew milk. Now before I get started, I'm going to kind of go over some of the reasons why I decided to buy the Almond Cow. I'm not sponsored by them, but I think it's an amazing product. Right now I've usually been buying this. Now, silk cashew milk is amazing, low in calorie. However, no matter what, whenever you buy a nut milk of any kind in a store, it's very hard to not have an ingredient list that's ginormous. So, yes, it has cashew milk, filter water, and cashews, but still contains about 10 to 15 other ingredients. The best part about coming and making it at your house is you know what's inside and the process of making it. Now, this container usually costs about $3 in the store. To make this nut milk or cashew milk that I'm going to do today, I bought this giant tub of cashews at Sam's. Now this entire thing costs $14, but it has about 5.5 cups of cashews in it. To make this cashew milk takes 1 cup of soaked cashews. So that means that yes, $14, but I'm only about paying $2.50 for an entire container of homemade nut milk with no added ingredients. So to get started, like I said, I have 1 cup of soaked cashews here. I soaked them overnight, really simple. After dinner last night, I put these in a bowl, put water over top of them, and then put them in, well, set them on the counter actually. So all I'm gonna do here is just put my soaked cashews over top of my almond milk maker in this little canister here. Comes with the Almond Cow. So that's all in there. Nice in this little basin. Now to make it a little bit sweeter, I am gonna put in 3 dates. That's just gonna get a little bit sweet. And also dates have so many health benefits. They're so too hard to list for this short video. Next, I take the top of my Almond Cow over top of this here, and then simply close it on. Now, before I get going too far, I'm gonna place this right here in this bowl. That way, if any of the juices from the nuts leak out, we're good to go. I'm gonna take my water and pour it into my Almond Cow. There is a line in here that tells you the max. I pre-measured it for this video. Ooh. There we go. Next, I insert all the goodies in the basket into the water. Super simple. Now you're gonna see on the top, the little Almond Cow turns green and it starts to make our almond milk. Check back in a few minutes and we will have fresh made cashew milk. All right, we're back. That literally took 2 minutes. So now it's grinded everything up. I'm just gonna take the top off of the Almond Cow. You can already see all that nice frothy milk. I'm going to open and take off the top, put it into the sink. Now, there is still some milk inside of this canister. All I'm gonna do is slowly tilt it over and let it pour out. My hand's over top of it to prevent the pulp from coming out. Not much pulp left in this container. So the pulp that's left, I'm just gonna pour right into here to strain for later. Also makes great pulp meal. There's so many amazing recipes for this great nutritious stuff left over. So washing my hands. We now take our container, our fresh milk, and there we go. Nice, creamy, fresh, homemade cashew milk. So now when I make my daily harvest shakes for lunch or have cereal at any point in the day or even add back to my pulp meal, I'm gonna have nice, homemade, no additive filled nut milk. So there you go. Nice and done. Pop the top and it goes in the fridge and we're ready to go. Thank you so much. Hopefully you guys try this and I hope to see you back for another video soon.